Hi guys, welcome to the fifth lecture of Module 12 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be seeing how to make ramps. So ramps are basically stairs without the riser and thread, like inclined slopes. So you have the preview here. So we can find the ramp option on the architecture tab here. So it's almost the same setup as the stairs. So first we have the run and the boundary and the riser. So I'll select the run here first. And now here you can see that you have some options here. 36 remaining, 24 remaining. You just need to. So this is the ramp. Ramp is created. So I'll click on finish here, and then I'll show this on the 3D here. Yeah, you can see this ramp is being created. Now you'll say why this ramp is so long. So I'll show this in the east view here. Okay. Yeah. So you can see this, the height is 4 meter, and we had set our uh, top constraint to be level 2 here. So that's why this ramp is being so long. So you can change that to like none, and then give the top offset here. You can do that, and you can change this like this to be RAM to be. Can change the RAM settings here. Can do this as solid, and then click on apply. Okay. By doing this solid, you can see that structure has been added to the bottom. So you can do this or leave it as it is. Can change these settings there itself, but make sure you duplicate while you change the settings. The thickness here, can change this thickness, like thickness of the ramp I'll show. Yeah, so this thickness is 150 for now. So if you want to change the thickness here, you can do that, but first duplicate. Okay, if you need 200 mm here, on apply. Now you can see this thickness has been changed. If you want, then just duplicate it and then change the dimension. And then if you need to, I'll make another ramp for that. I'll show this here, ramp setting. Yeah, so if I go to the 3D view here, yeah, so if you need to change the slope here, then you can change the slope here as 45, and then you can see that being applied here. And click on OK. You can see this slope change here. So you can change the slope also here. Change the ramp material here as we do it every time using the material browser. You can select the material here and do that. And now I'll leave it here, and then again the railing is the same as the stairs. select railing, or you can just delete all the railing also if you want. It's up to you how you do it.